Hi, I'm Laura Lauk and I'm a product specialist here at the Hubert Company. And today I'm going to show you how you can change the blade and the gear in your Hubert brand table mount can opener. So to replace the pieces, we offer a kit that includes the gear and the blade, or you can also just buy a pack of 5 blades. If your blade's just getting dull, you can just choose to do that. So to replace these pieces, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, and you just want to remove the screws. Then you want to actually pull the handle and turn. And that comes right out. So you can get to your blade. Okay, now you can clean that up. You may need to replace your blade or your gear. To reassemble, just put your blade and the gear and the blade gasket back in. I'm going to line up the pin. And you can just turn this piece here to tighten it, and then twist here to tighten it even further. When you're done with that, you're gonna put your blade back on and the blade gasket, and just line up the holes so you can screw that piece back together. So that's how you replace the gear and the blade on the Hubert brand table mount can opener. If you have questions about this or any of our other products, just give us a call. And thank you for watching.